So you are listening to the Music and Culture Podcast with me, Mandla Gingirikani. If you're new to the channel, please do the right thing. Subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever makes sense for you. Just do it. Yeah, so Sol Phenduka, the Kaya 959 presenter and also the podcast and chill host, was involved in a car crash this morning in Rosebank. They say he was spotted this morning at a scene of an accident where a car that is usually spotted in driving had been involved in a car crash just outside the Rosebank police station, which is few hundred meters away from the Kaya FM studios where he works. The good news is that Sol Phenduka says he's okay, he's fine. So he posted on Twitter saying that he's okay, 100% okay. He only has a swollen middle finger. And South Africans are already having a field day about this middle finger. Yaka Sol. Yeah, twice posting there, lol. Sol Phenduka after surviving the car crash. This is my favorite one. Sol Phenduka after surviving a car crash. But Sol Phenduka right now. I think the middle finger there, we can zoom in just to show the middle finger, like a Sol. Yeah, people are just having a field day about this whole swollen finger thing, but we're just happy that Sol Phenduka is fine, is okay, because hey, these days I kushubile kunzima. No, that's all I had for you for now. See you again in the next upload. Salute.